Namba nene ya arwaru aria marekereirio gucoka mucii thutha wa kurigitwo murimu wa coronavirus ni ya kuhe akenya mwihoko ona gutuika thirikari ni hinyiriirie ati gaka ti kanya ga kuregeria mawatho maria magathikitwo kuhurana na murimu uyu. Umuthi arwaru 97 niyo marekereirio kuinuka ukirigithania na andu 95 aria mekiritwo mukonde gukorwo na murimu uyu uria riu ugumeire kaunti 37.
Mombasa 56 cases, Nairobi 13 cases, Busia 10 cases, Kajiado 6 cases, Kilifi 3 cases, Kitui, Kwale, Garissa and Marsabit each have 1 case. Note that Marsabit becomes the latest county to join that rank of counties that have reported a positive case.
Gatagati ka arwaru aria maniriirwo umuthi atatu ni ataramu wa urigitani kuma kaunti ya Nyeri maya magiuka oriri ngwataniro ya ataramu a urigitani KMPDU ihinyereirie thirikari gutigirira maabitha aya ni magitiritwo uria kwagireire nginyagia riu kaunti ya Nairobi ikiandikithia maabitha 41 aria magumeirwo, Mombasa 31, Kiambu 4, Nyeri 3, Laikipia, Kajiado na Machakos o kaunti abitha umwe. Ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 mahituku andu 1,196 nio mathimitwo kana mari na murimu uyu na beno ikioneka gucoka na thi. Thirikari ikiuga ni gukoretwo na unyihu wa indo iria cirabatarania gukinyaniria ithimi ici.
We've tried our best to clear this backlog, which mainly affected truck drivers, and most of these results have now been released to the respective recipients. This is not, of course, to say that we are still not facing issues with our supply chain management. We are trying very hard to sort out this, and I can indeed confirm that whatever backlog was there will be cleared and will be history.
Maya magithiaga nambere, akenya nimoritio guthii nambere guthingata njira ciothe cia kuhurana na murimu uyu, andu aria makiritie ukuru wa miaka 60 na mari na mirimu ingi makiurio kwihumba irembeko cia kuhumbira kanua na maniuru mahinda mothe.
This is because of the lowered immunity of individuals of that age or those with other underlying medical conditions. Additionally, caregivers to patients under home-based care program are also required to be wearing the N95 particulate masks when offering care to such individuals.
Kumana na wige wa arwaru a murimu uyu thibitari-ini ngurani, thirikari yugite ni rathugunda uria ngiambiriria mubango wa kurigitira amwe a arwaru micii-ini, mubango uria ukurumirira mitaratara iria igathikitwo ni ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi.
We have a high number of people who are now positive who we keep in facilities, yet they are either asymptomatic or have mild or moderate disease. These are the kind of individuals who would qualify to be considered for home care.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagwo Gina, Wawaduro.